Hey everyone, and welcome to Trendy List. In today's video, we'll be talking about top 15 moments where celebrities have gone absolutely crazy on meeting their celeb crush. Stay with us till the very end, so you don't miss out on a single one of these moments. Number 15. Selena Gomez and Shia LaBeouf. Shia LaBeouf, without a doubt, is charismatic, and his fans know that too. Well, his celebrity fans as well. Selena Gomez is one of such fans, who simply could not get over how handsome he was when she met her. The encounter was evidently very exciting for Selena, as well as awkward. She was completely flustered and repeatedly told Shia she was sorry for disturbing him, even as they posed for photos. Later on, she was seen fangirling over getting to meet the actor. And well, that is what most of our reactions would be if we got to see our celebrity crushes.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? How you doing?
I'm so sorry to bother you.
Really cute. Very cute. Awesome.
Oh my goodness, thank you.
Oh, good. Nice to meet you.
I go, we can't tell her to go down.
You guys suck. You used my fans as bait. Oh my gosh, he's so...
Number 14. Bebe Rexha and Normani. Bebe Rexha didn't make an effort to hide how much hype she was about Normani's performance during MTV's Awards 2017, where she did an insane split that left bruises on her knees. But the impression and effect that she had on Bebe Rexha was completely worth it, as she appreciated her performance and Normani herself over and over again.
I love Fifth Harmony and that split. That split! I'm sorry, Normani, you slayed my life.
Number 13. Tamara Mowry and Mariah Carey. Tamara Mowry is herself a famous actress. The fact, however, wasn't enough to stop her from having an absolute meltdown when she saw Mariah Carey in an award show. She herself was on camera the moment she first spotted Mariah and got very excited. She said that would be the first time for her meeting Mariah, and that she was going to say hi to her as she passed. She did, and when Mariah called her gorgeous, her gleaming reaction and excitement was enough to prove that her day had been made.
That's Mariah Carey! I've never met Mariah Carey. Well, I'm just gonna say hi, right? Okay, so when she walks by, I'll just say hi. Oh, slay! Hey. Hi, Mariah. I love you. She called me gorgeous. Oh my God. She called me gorgeous.
Number 12. Mark Ruffalo and Paul Rudd. It doesn't matter to Mark Ruffalo that he himself is one of the very actors of Hollywood when he saw Paul Rudd giving an interview during a Comic-Con. It doesn't stop him from absolutely getting hyped on seeing the fellow actor from the Marvel franchise. From his reaction, it was pretty clear that he simply could not believe his eyes that it was Paul Rudd himself in front of his eyes speaking on the camera. It was amusing to see even the biggest stars also get starstruck in these kinds of situations.
My enthusiasm and excitement and passion is certainly there for where we're at now and what Peyton's going to do.
Number 11. Chance the Rapper and Beyonce. Chance the Rapper is a known name among those who follow rap and hip-hop music. However, we got to see him go completely starstruck when he met Beyonce in a show. He was being interviewed when Beyonce came up to him from behind and told him something. Initially, it seems like he didn't get it, but soon he was seen jumping up and down in excitement as he realized that Queen Bee just came up to him. He then ran up to her and she hugged him, and Chance came back to the camera and declared that his life had just been made.
Really understandable.
Drake. That happened.
Number 10. Emma Watson and Celine Dion. Emma Watson made no effort to hide the fact that she was a huge fan of Celine Dion. In fact, she had grown up listening to her. The first time that she actually got to meet her was an absolute sublime experience for her.
I was just like, this is almost too much for me.
Celine Dion was indeed, this is your first time meeting Celine?
My mom and I used to play Celine Dion in the car, like, non-stop.
Number 9. Ariana Grande and Jim Carrey. Jim Carrey has been winning hearts for a long time. Many generations of viewers are his dedicated fans, and celebrities and big names are also included in that list. Ariana Grande is one such example. When she met Jim, and he said hi to her, and followed it up by embracing her, she got so emotional that she started crying. Well, that is the effect of the legendary Jim Carrey has on people. No matter how famous or big a celebrity might be, Ariana seemed unable to pull herself together, even afterwards, and Jim was seen talking to her affectionately. The entire incident was very adorable and sweet to watch by the onlookers.
Oh my God.
She's crying. You've done it.
Number 8. Ariana Grande and Joseph Gordon-Levitt. Ariana Grande is no less than worshipped by the young generation today that listens to pop music. And indeed, she's undoubtedly one of the most successful artists of this time, with multiple albums that have reached the top of the charts. However, the same Ariana had almost a swooning moment when she was given the chance to meet Joseph Gordon-Levitt in a show. Her reaction was the same as any of ours would be if we got to meet him, and the fact that she herself is a celebrity didn't stop her from absolutely melting over at the sight of him when he came up on the stage. She managed herself, however, and then shook hands with the actor, but evidently, it was a big moment for her.
Jay Moore, Mika, and of course Ariana. Stay tuned, Jimmy Fallon, coming up right now.
Number 7. Nicki Minaj and Lauryn Hill. Nicki Minaj is undoubtedly one of the most successful and famous artists of recent times. However, even she had a huge fan moment when she met Lauryn Hill, one of the most prominent stars of the hip-hop generation. In fact, she was so overwhelmed by her presence that she got down on her knees and bowed down to her. She kept on telling her what a huge fan she was of her, and how much she loved and adored her. Lauryn must have understood how big it was for Minaj, and how truly emotional she was feeling, and embraced her.
No, please. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with your spirit, your mind, everything about.
Number 6. Anne Hathaway and Mariah Carey. Mariah Carey has been a legendary name for a long time now. She has not only won the hearts of her fans who absolutely love her, but many celebs are also included in the list of people who are avid fans. One such name is Anne Hathaway, who once had an absolute meltdown on seeing Mariah Carey on seeing her at an award show. She was completely hyped over the fact that her idol was standing literally just 2 arms length away from her. Hathaway, who was herself being interviewed at that point of time, even asked the cameraman to get an angle where both Mariah and she could be seen from the same angle. She looked back multiple times to check, and ultimately, the person with the camera had to assure her that yes, both of them were being seen.
Of course she was. It's just the best glamorous ever.
Bob, he's like super nice. You can say that now. I know she's right there.
She's now an arm length away.
I feel like this is your time. I feel like
No, it's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna meet her when the time's right. I just love that this is on camera right now. Is she in the background? If I stand like this way? Okay.
Favorite Mariah song?
There's so many. But I was listening to We Belong Together beforehand.
No, it's good.
Number 5. Normani and Beyonce. Normani from the band Fifth Harmony had a big fan moment when she talked about her meeting the legendary Beyonce at the after party during the Grammys. She confessed that she was completely hyped over the fact that she was actually getting to meet Queen Bee. However, she did not have to go up and introduce herself, as Beyonce was quite aware of who she was. And in fact, she told her how proud she was of Normani for coming that far, and that she quite liked her work.
She goes, "Oh my gosh," she said, "I've been waiting so long to meet you."
Oh
in her little deep southern voice.
No.
She's like, "I've been waiting so long to meet you." She said, "Everybody, keeps telling me, Normani, this girl, you have to meet her. Oh my gosh, she's amazing." And I went,
Oh my God.
and I almost started
What did
crying.
you say to that?
I was like, "Thank you so much for everything that you do." My voice was shaking. And she was just like, "You keep doing your thing."
Number 4. BB Rexa and Grace VanderWaal. Grace VanderWaal is one of the youngest singers and songwriters who has gained attention. However, she probably did not expect BB Rexa to completely go crazy about her when they met at an award show. In fact, it was Grace who first spotted BB Rexa and ran up to her like any fan would and told her what a huge fan she was. However, BB Rexa also seemed completely entranced with Grace and told her that she appreciated her a lot as well, and even said that she would like to do a song with her and expressed her desire to do a collab with her.
Oh my God, I love you. You are a superstar. You are amazing. No, honestly, like you're so beautiful. No, honey, you already are. You already are. You already are. Okay, I'm saying you are. I can't wait till you do it. We work together. I'd love to.
Number 3. Diane Keaton and Justin Bieber. Diane Keaton screamed in excitement like a teenager when she first saw Justin Bieber on the Ellen DeGeneres show. Ellen had called on Justin as a surprise when Diane came onto the show as a guest, and Keaton made no effort to hide how enthralled she was when Justin came on the stage and hugged her. She also said that the young pop star was the real definition of beauty. It was quite clear that the actress was a huge fan of Bieber. Number 2. Jennifer Lawrence and Jeff Bridges. When Jennifer Lawrence first saw Jeff Bridges in an award show, her first reaction was to flee the scene regardless of the fact that there was a lot of cameras on her. That was enough to prove how much her nerves had got to her on seeing the legendary Jeff Bridges. Even her first words also conveyed the same message when she finally came up to him and embraced him, clearly very excited and overjoyed at the opportunity. She kept on saying how wonderful it was for her, and that she's a huge fan. She even admitted that she was sorry for interrupting him mid-interview, but given how delighted she was on meeting him, it wasn't a problem at all.
I'm such a huge fan. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Sorry, good to see you. I'm so sorry for interrupting you. There's cameras.
Number 1. Camila Cabello and Ed Sheeran. Camila Cabello herself confessed that the most awkward celebrity encounter she's ever had was with Ed Sheeran during the VMAs, as she revealed in a later interview. After she met the adored international pop singer, she had to go and cry in the bathroom just after she had met him because she was so excited about the encounter. She didn't lose her composure during the interaction though, but it was quite evident how much hype she was to have met Ed Sheeran in person, as even though she had her own songs, Ed Sheeran is a legend himself.
It's crazy. I really, I did not expect that. But I'm excited to, because I only have 3 songs out. So,
While you're still here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. See ya there!